Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Roblox fan, you know how heartbreaking it can be to lose access to your account, especially if it's been deleted. In this video, we're diving into how to recover a deleted Roblox account in 2025. Whether it was an accident, a hack, or something else, I've got a step-by-step guide to help you get back in the game quickly. Let's jump right in. First things first, before you panic, double-check if your account is actually deleted. Log into the Roblox website or app using your username and password. If it doesn't work, head over to the Roblox support page at roblox.com/support. Look for the Account Recovery section. This is your starting point for 2025 updates. Step 1. Go to the Account Recovery page and enter your email or phone number associated with the account. Roblox has made this process smoother in 2025, so you'll likely get a verification code sent to your registered email. Make sure to check your spam folder if you don't see it right away. Once you verify, you'll be prompted to answer security questions or provide additional details like your birth date or last login device. If that doesn't work, step 2 is to contact Roblox support directly. Use the Submit a Ticket option on their website. Be prepared to provide proof of ownership, such as transaction history if you've made purchases, or any linked social media. Roblox's AI-powered support in 2025 can often resolve issues faster, but patience is key. It might take 24 to 48 hours. Now, for prevention, always enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your account. It's a game changer for security. Also, use a strong, unique password and avoid sharing your login details. Wrapping this up, recovering your Roblox account doesn't have to be a nightmare if you follow these steps. Remember, act quickly to increase your chances of success. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out there in the Roblox world.